All right, so I'm so excited. I've been waiting all day to get to open this box, and I don't have to wait till Friday, so I'm super excited. Thank you, one and all. So let's see what we have. We are doing an official birthday unboxing. Woohoo! Happiest of birthday to you. Okay. Every year, life gets more colorful. And so do you. Happy birthday, colorful in all the best ways. Love you so much, and may you be doubly blessed in this next year. And I'm already blessed to have you guys in my life. Is this a chicken outfit? This looks like a chicken dress. But I don't have a chicken. Bob. We can put it on Bob. Okay. Is it an apron? Is it an apron? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's so exciting. Oh my gosh. Look at me. Hang on. Look at me. I'm going to put it on officially for the first time for YouTube. That's going to be so exciting. Now I have to pick an outfit to wear with that. Okay. All right. A book. A book. Perfect Jewish, a collection of over 100 essential recipes. Oh my gosh. Oh, I hope there's a birthday cake in there. We'll take a look. Thank you for that. All right, next, the Book of Schmaltz. Oh, perfect. We love schmaltz. Well, that's not all there is in there, I guess. Ooh, ooh. Okay. My cameraman wants to move on. He's hungry. No, oh, not Nigella. My favorite. She's like, you know, tall. Oh my gosh. Oh, noodles. That's one thing I have in common with her, if it's not height, thinness, and beauty, is the love of noodles. So thank you. Oh, I'm excited. Maybe I'll make my birthday cake out of that. Oh my gosh. No wonder this was so heavy. Okay. I guess they're saying you need to take your videos up a notch and make better stuff. What's Cooking Jewish? Elizabeth Wolf Cohen. Awesome. All right, well, ooh, eggplant. Ooh, tzimmus, honey, tzimmus. Tzimmus. All right, well, here it is. Thank you, guys. We love you so much, and I just can't wait to make something out of all of these things. And I'm gonna go because it makes me cry, and you're not supposed to cry in front of people. So thank you so much. We love you. I love you. Thanks, guys.